In case you have not chosen the local garage door repair or installation company, consider calling my company today. We are able to emerge, offer you an assessment, and schedule a time to do this to the job. My business is far more than willing to go to areas outside this community, and we offer very affordable rates. For additional information about my company, email us directly by telephone or visit our Global Garage Door Repair Hackensack NJ website. Upon having set an appointment with my business, you may feel certain that we are going to complete the job.